the province of Ilocos Norte, Honorable Aimee R. Marcos.
Naimbag nga rabi, kada kayo amin, good evening and welcome to the 4th Tan-Ok Festival of the Province of Ilocos Norte. To all our great friends who are here this evening, nalaing nga po mayores, the political family me, the entero nga mga munisipyo and all the participants who are here, the Vicar General Ian Rabago, the First Secretary of the Chinese Consulate, all the VIPs, my friends, the distinguished architect and another pride of Ilocos Norte, Apo Architect Felino June Palafox of Bacarra. Also here tonight are an extraordinary board of judges and a dear, dear friend from many years, Mr. Carlson Chan. Welcome to Ilocos Norte once again. To all of you, our friends who live in Ilocos, and those who perhaps are only here for a few days, welcome to this tremendous event that we started a few years ago, never thinking that it would explode into this huge celebration. Karamihan ng mga turista na pumupunta sa Ilocos ay pumupunta rito dahil sa isang bagay lamang, sa kakakaibang kultura ng mga tauhan, mga tribo, mga barangay dito sa norte. Wala silang ibang pupuntahan kundi masinayan ang Poway Church na World Heritage, malakad ang Marcos Trail, at makain, matikman ang tunay na empanada ken bagnet. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit dito sa Ilocos Norte, ang kultura at sining ay hindi hilig o luho lamang ng mayayaman at matataas, kundi hanap buhay at propesyon na napakarami sa atin. For many of us, we take for granted what we were born with. The tremendous heritage that is Ilocos Norte and all of Ilocandia. And yet people come to see this special culture that is unique and different from anything else in the world. It is time, therefore, that we begin to put in place a cultural policy, a policy that not only recognizes museums and artifacts, but rather one that ennobles art spaces and galleries, that supports and subsidizes schools of art, architecture, literature, history, and dance, that indeed supports the workers of art. For here in Ilocos Norte, culture sells, and for so many of us, it is a livelihood and a profession. Already we have begun in Poway with the MMSU with a new, first in the Philippines, conservation high school, so that we can maintain all these different tangible and intangible aspects of our inheritance. We have also watched with horror when Bohol and its churches collapsed in that terrible earthquake. This nightmare can truly be ours as well if we do not partner with the churches and determine with long-term planning and fervent prayer that we will maintain the churches that have been ours for centuries. Culture indeed, popular and otherwise. Long before Instagram and Facebook, Ilocos Norte became famous in film, in movies, in theater, and on television. Let us maintain that ascendancy as a location being that it has given great opportunities for many thousands of Ilocanos who have worked on sets as designers, as carpenters, as crew, and even as cast themselves. So many films that have brought us fame, including, of course, the now famous statue of the great Nora Honor in the sand dunes of Himala. Truly, films have brought us fame and much glory. But we, here in Ilocos Norte, keep alive that culture, making certain that for all generations, each one of us will be proud to be Ilocano. Pinagmamalaki natin ang nakakaiba at katangi-tanging kultura ng ating probinsya, kakaiba sapagkat ang tao natin ang tanging kayamanan. The values that distinguish us as a people, beyond the artifacts and the skills and pioneering spirit that have brought Ilocanos in every corner of the world. Pasingkedan ti kinatanok ni Ilocano, agbyag ti Ilocos Norte, just ti Agnina, enjoy Tanok, the festival of festivals.
Intayoram bakan, tinaidumduma a kinapintas, ti kinatao, ken kultura tayo. Daytoy, titanok ni Ilocano, Festival of Festivals 2014. Iti-ili ti Adams. Bacara. Bado. Banggi. Banna. Bata. Burgos. Karasi. Curimaw. Dingras. Dumalneg. Lawag. Marcos. Nueva Era. Pagudpud. Paway. Pasuki. Pidig. Pinili. San Nicolas. Sarat. Solsona. Vintar.
Panawin mo, Ilocos Norte. Panawin mo, Ilocos Norte.